enough for me and my Bobby McGee.
Nobody can tell you there's only one song worth singing. They may try and tell you, 'cause it hangs them up to see someone like you. 'Cause you gotta make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along. You gotta make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along. Baby, baby, I hear a symphony. Don't tell me what to do, and don't tell me what to say. Beehive, you're my baby. You have got to be a do-right all night man.
Feeling good was easy love when I sang the blues.
Forget all your troubles, forget all your cares, and just make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along. The feeling I had by the end of the decade was that we women who were products of the 60s had been given a dream, the American dream, and we'd helped it grow up a little. At last, we had center stage. Make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along. You gotta make your own kind of music, sing your own special song, make your own kind of music, even if nobody else sings along. Sings along, sings along, sings along. Let's rock.
closer. Thank you.